Hello everyone, welcome back to the today's session. So in previous session what we have learned is like the position property, linear gradient and few other properties like z-index, opacity and all the things. So the only pending right now we have that media queries. So we will continue with that session. Along with that, today onwards we will for the next two sections we will design a small mini website with the help of HTML and CSS only. So let's begin the class. So first of all, what is media query? Media query is nothing but or else which is used for the responsiveness. What is then you will ask what is responsiveness, right? Responsiveness is showing the screen size according to the means showing the website according to the screen size. For example, see, we have a website, right? Here we have a website and we are showing it in the monitor like laptop view or else monitor view. For example, if you need it in a mobile view or else tab view, how it will be shown? For example, see, let's take an amazon.com and this is a laptop view, and responsiveness you can check here how we are checking HTML in the elements and CSS in the styles and computed for the box model. Here we can check the responsiveness with the help of this tool driver toolbar, where you can check it with the help of responsiveness. See, you can get the screen sizes like the mobiles view and everything, or else we can see here, let me make it here below, yeah, or else we can see based upon the screen sizes here. Tablet view is 768 pixel and laptop is 1024 pixel, and it's a biggest laptop, like not a mini laptop, normal laptop size will be there, right? Like that also we can see. Or else you can show it in the monitor view, or else 32 inches TV view, or else 55 inches TV, anywhere you can see in these resolutions. So this is what called as responsiveness. As you can see, this website is showing this much space here and these many things. When it go to tablet view, see, it will only show only the required things, and this is called the responsiveness. In mobile view, it will again change it. You got it, right? So responsiveness is nothing but making the word itself, it's saying that response. So based upon the screen size of the machine or else that gadget what we are using, based on that only the responsiveness also will be happen for the screen. That is how we will get a responsiveness of the screen size. And next coming for so this is what we call as a responsiveness. So how we will do it, the responsiveness? Nothing, it's a simple, we will have how we have the code and everything like that only. For example, let's take in this as an example where animation, let's make it a, let's comment it for a while so that I want to show another responsiveness thing, so I will delete it. So you can see only red color, right? For example, now I will reduce to height to 200, somewhat looks like this, and width to 500. Okay, so now we want to show it's in responsiveness. Okay, so what is the stylings we will use here in the responsiveness? That is the thing which we will learn now, and after that we will learn further of the mini project what we are planning to do. So for that we will use the media queries. That is what the meaning. In responsiveness we will use the media queries, and after how we are using the media queries, that is the main thing what I will discuss with you. So let me show you how we are using media query. Okay, so here you will use, for example, you will target a class. For example, this is a thing like class equal to, like what we can do, response div. Okay, let's copy this and paste it here. So here, oh, we already have this one, so let's copy this and replace with the div. Because why? Because we needed a class, or else we can do it with the div, but class is a better view for making it responsive. So we are using media query now, for the responsive designs, so that in the tablet view I need a background color as different color, and after that in a mobile view I need a different color. Here I will use @media screen. So this is the screen, or else media only screen, and maximum width I need it, for example maximum width so what is the maximum width I need it? Here in the responsiveness, once I check it, up to 1024, up to 768 only I need it in this color. Okay, remaining I need it in different color. So up to 768 is the maximum one, where I need it in one color, which I can say in the pixel here with 768 pixel. So here I will get dot responsive div of background color aqua. Let's say so. See, up to 768 it is in the less than or any screen, you can see is in a blue color. Once you move from 768 to 769, it will change the color. Same like that, you can change the width or else any properties, the properties will be same. Like for example I will give here 100 pixel and also 100 pixel, so that up to here it is like this. Once I go there, see how it's changing, that same div but the stylings are different. Like that we will do the responsiveness further here. If you want to change not only 768 but I need it for 425 another thing, same syntax and same everything, but you will give the range difference. You will give here green and here 500 pixels. Let's see green up to 500. So once you go from 500 to 501, it will change. You got it right? So like that, maximum only width you can give the ranges also, minimum width and maximum width, or also maximum width or minimum width, anything. So this is what we are using media queries, and that is the concept what is important concept what I am saying is responsiveness. Okay, so now onwards we will learn about mini project. One, we will develop the project in detail from starting now, mini website from now bar. Like for example we will do one flower bouquet website, so that flower shop website, so that they can publish, or else you can get any client like that. So for that I will created a one project. So this is a mini project which I have created a folder, and these are the images we will use. So these are the images, everything we will use, and this is an icon, video, which we will add it in the website of integrating. How we have done audio, now in the website itself, in the project itself, we will, with the help of project and practically, we will learn everything, where and how everything you have used and what we have learned till now. So this is then index.html, and I have given for example here as flower website, which will get as a title. First of all, let's delete this one, close this, we no need these two. Next, another thing we needed is index.style.css, so that you can, when you control click, it will go to here, and this is one video. These are the assets. You can give as a assets folder, or else images, whatever you need it, you can give it. So right now we will give it as an images folder, where we will learn everything from here, detail what are the concepts we learned it till now. So let's dive into this project. So first of all, whatever you need it, first file structure should be maintained. Sorry. So for file structure, we will maintain here with the help of mini project, where in mini project we have the images folder and index.html and style.css till so JS will be going on after this project. So right now we are making only the to understand the what are the topics will we learn everything in this project. So HTML and CSS only I am using it. So as you can see in HTML, I linked with the existing CSS file, and this is for the font one, which we'll get it from CDN fonts. You can check it from Google Fonts also, but in real time scenario we won't use the fonts which is from the Google or everything. You have to means the client will provide the font style and everything from the user, so that you have to get it. So let's go with the header section. So once we go with the header section, we will write in detail. So here also we are using the semantic tags which I told you, right? Header, and after that anchor tag. So inside that anchor tag we will use href, where we will use hash, means whatever you click in that one, it will inside only, it will go into that itself, nothing will change. So let's give a class as a logo, where we will give the logo for the home page, and let's give as a flower for now. So and also I want to give is a styling for after that. Let's give as a span tag and give a dot for only styling for this thing. Next, what we will have in header? Now nothing. Inside that header we will have a nav bar, where you have to show the navigation of all the links, right? So same like anchor, inside that href. Here we are not clicking the logo, we are showing it in the home page, right? So slash, it's an ID, I will give in further as ID home. So I will give with home, and let me copy this. What are the menu options we are planning? Home, about, product, like that we can do. About, so here products, let's give small p. After that what we can give, we want our client to also give the review, okay? So that we will give, add it here, review. And another one we can give a href equal to like contact details for the website, so that anyone, the user, anyone, they can contact us. So we will give as a contact. So this is what items, menu items, which will in the nav. And apart from that, in the nav I want to add any other things like icons for the adding cart, like shopping cart, how we have user icon and everything stuff. So I will create a one div, random div for that. And now if I give here class equal to icons for this div for styling purpose in the future, and here also I have to give, I forgot here, I'll give as a nav bar because it's a nav bar. So in real time also we will use the same classes like a nav bar. Not only like that, we can give any classes, but for better understanding, nav bar for nav tag, icons for icon div. That's how we are planning to give for now. So now here also you will give anchor href, here also ash for now for the home page, and let's give class fas fa-heart. So why I have given, I will let you know. For now let me copy these. So here we are using the font awesome icons, right? So that font awesome icons is a CDN link. CDN means the content delivery manager network link, where the delivery everything is from the, we are grabbing it from the Google Chrome for now, because we are not getting the icons from the client or the designer, where we, in real time scenario we will get it from the client. We have to just copy that and we have to keep it in this one, but here we are not using that. So let me go to the live local, I think. Let's go to the live. See, these are the icons. For example, if I given here laptop, I will get laptop icon. See, these are the icons which we are getting it from what, font awesome, where font awesome you can grab here. Font awesome, here you can get the list of icons, everything stuff from here. You have to register, or else you can go with the free for now, but the kit will be getting it from the once you log in and everything stuff. The icon, the link, external link will be there. That link we will copy it and paste it here. That's it, nothing more than that. So once, I think here we can say this this as a logo, and these are the options which I want in a menu options, and these are then the right icons I needed it. So first next, now let's go for the styling part of this one. Before that, let me develop one standard one, standard for all the things, which is used for star, which is for standard for all the HTML project. Okay, so here we will use margin as a 0 for total project. Project means not for individual, this body I am saying. As you can inspect here and you can check, this HTML is there, right? This HTML we are using as a total project as a margin 0. So padding also will give 0, and further in future we will add remaining things like box sizing, like border box, and after that we will give font family. How I said, right now we are getting it font family from here. So outline, and also border none. So we need globally as a border none, right? So that's what we are giving here. And also we need a text transform. These are the basics which I am using here. We can use different based on the projects, where these everything will be given from the senior developer. Right now as a developers, as a entry level developers, we have to know that star is used for everything styles which we are giving internally for all the things. So for internal div we are breaking each in a component, like what we are giving is each singular part later on in the stylings of the future, which we have given here classes, right? For navbar as a one class and icons as a one class, in this one we'll give it, but these stylings are for total body project. So that if you want to change anything, like I will show you in the last ending of this project, if you want to change anything like a color of the project, main color, primary color, then you have to simply, you can change here. Let me show the root means is the overall one, where root project we will give, let's take pink as color, Why? Because every icons which I have installed, everything is in a pink color, so it will be looking nice. That's the only thing we are selecting pink color, nothing more than that. What we can give pink color code we can take it from anywhere, means you'll get it, but as I remember, I'm giving it code also, everything whatever the code you want to use, you have to use everything the designer, UX designer or the graphic designers will give you. So this is the pink color shade I'm planning to use. So these are the basic styles. Now I think we can go ahead with the HTML styling, HTML tag. So let's give for HTML, where I want to use the font size for all the HTML as a common, like 62.5%. Again, scroll behavior, I need a scrolling, means on scrolling it should be like smooth only, right? It should not be like a clumsy thing and everything. So I'm giving scrolling as smooth scrolling. And after that, scroll padding top like a 6 rem, so that once you scroll here, right, see 62% it came. And also padding top we are giving it a 6 rem. Once you check here in the HTML tag, you can get the stylings of that. See, this is the pink I have given, font family I have given, and root styles I have given. This is the HTML styles I have given, and these are the styles for all the things which we are using as a globally for the project. Okay, so if we go further, and let's, after that you will go overflow x-axis. Overflow x-axis means horizontal scrolling should be hidden. That's what we are giving. We don't want to make it a horizontal scrolling. So now we will go with the stylings of header component. So header, inside the header I will give position as fixed, and we have to give top as 0, left 0, right 0. After that, background I will give as for now white, so that after giving the background as white, I will give padding as 2 rem and 9%. Here padding 2 rem means 2 rem is for top and bottom, and 9% is for padding left and right. We can give in a single line of padding. That is one. And we are using the display property as a flex here, so that everything will be in a flex horizontal view, and everything aligning via items in a center in a vertical axis. That's how we are doing it. And we are making it as a justify content as a space between, so that all the things should not be clumsy, and it should be equally spaced to overall the website. And I want to give a z-index as 1000, because that is the header. On scrolling also it should be in the top. And after that, box shadow, for the shadow purpose styling I will give 0.5 rem, 1 rem, and here I no need of 0. And RGBA means the color code, nothing more than that. Sometimes we can give color white or red, or shadings means we have to give color code. So if I go like this, now let's see the site. See, so you got it right. Now it's in display, all the properties are applying. Now let's go with the logo thing, where we want to get logo. So header dot logo, header, inside that logo class. So Font size we can give to increase the font size to 3 rem for better view, and color we can give it as a black, which is the color code as #333, and font weight will be bolder. So after that I want to give styling for this span tag also, where we given up to flower only. So span tag header dot logo span, so that once you check it will be span inside the header class logo here. So what we want to give color, what we have used here, we will use the where function, where inside the where we will give the pink, which we have given here top, which is globally for everything. So if you want to change the color, we can change directly here itself. So let me give this space so that it will show like this. See, now we got the things. Now let's go with the navbar, header space dot navbar, where it's a class. Font size 2 rem, padding 1.5 rem for the left and right, and top as and bottom as 0, and color let us give as a code of somewhat black code, semi black grade, and also on hovering effect, that's what we are doing it, right? So navbar we will give it, and hovering means I told you, right? On mouse hovering, that one we will give color as the same color. We will copy this and we will paste it here for now, so that we will get a color. So once on hovering, see, everything looks fine now. So these are the things. Now let's go for the icon. Header dot icons, which we have given as a class, icons, and after that we can give icons in A, which is an anchor tag which we are using, and here font size we have to increase the icon size to 2.5 rem for now. After that color, same color we will give for #33 black, and then we will give margin left as 1.5 rem. So once you go back and here, once you hover the effect, same you can give color. Let's copy this one. We can give like this also, so that in header element class icons as a whatever you have over in navbar, in header what we have in the navbar also hover. Let's go and check. See, now it's a hover is working. So we need, it's not a laptop, right? We needed it as user. So let's change it to user. See, now it's working for everything. So this is what styling of the header. So now let's go with another thing, like what we can go ahead with this thing. Let's go with the text box of input tag also. Why? Because that input we will use toggler for responsiveness, because in responsiveness once you go there, let me show you. In responsiveness, see how it is there. This doesn't look nice, right, in mobile view or else here all the stuff. So instead of this we will use responsiveness with another icon which is a toggle bar, where we will let here make it input one second, let me back. So here we are writing in responsiveness for that one. So here input, where inside that input will give us a type. We have so many, right, I told you before. So here we are using that inside that type as a checkbox, where name we will give as empty for now, and id equal to toggler. Toggler is a option where we are giving id is a just name what I'm giving of, and label where I will use label as a toggler for with the name. So coming to now, along with for in the label I will use class also, where in the class we can give with a what we can give the name icon. Let's give bars. So once we check it, you can see, right, it's a bars and it's an input type checkbox. Now let's go with the styling part. So after that, header of toggler, where we will get display as none, where we should not show it in the desktop view. We should know you have to show it in the only mobile view. Header what in fi bars, which is in bars, which we can font size we have to increase font size with 3 rem, same like previous icons. And color same color, border radius what we can give up to, let's give 0.5 m for now. And padding, because it won't give 0.5 m, 1.5 m. So see, that's how it will be shown. Now next we'll do cursor, so that it should get pointer. Whenever you're showing it as a cursor, it should be a pointer. Okay. After that, border, because we need it in a border like 1 rem solid type with a RGBA 0.1. No, it doesn't look nice. Let's give it as 0.3. Okay, now what we can give it as display none. So let's give as display none. So we can give border 1 rem. Instead of 1, let's give point rem. It looks nice, I think. We can check it here. Oh, we have given as a display none, right? Yeah, now it looks nice. So it should be in mobile screen. So let's keep it as a display none. So right now it's fine for now. Let's go for responsive stuff. Responsive usually we will give it and then, so we'll write here media queries, all in the last one. Up to we can write media of a max width. Okay, now in the max width up to 991 is the best thing to view the screen size, where we can first HTML should be there, media query in that. So let's copy and paste here. And we no need all this stuff, it will be same like that one. So 55%, and after font size it should be reduced, and after that header I will give, where header should be what we can give padding up to 2 rem, so that once you go and give that, now it looks fine. Okay, so once up to 991 means 991. Okay, now 991 here. Now we have reduced the padding and everything stuff. Up to 768 we can keep it, where we have to show mobile responsive, where we will get the stuff of what this one, toggler effect and all the stuffs we can write here. So let's go with 768 pixel, insert that 768 pixel, where header space.fa bars we have to show, right? So it will be display block, and header space.navbar should be changed, because we are replacing the navbar with this, right? So position I will give it as an absolute. Based on absolute we will give as a top 0, left 0, background is a transparent code, and border top we can give how much we can give for border top for now. Let's see for now. Okay, top 0, border 0, and border top we can give as same 1 rem, .1 rem, where we will give solid RGBA, you'll use the same border code here, but the color shade will be different. And after that it's in the top, but it should be coming in the below. So let's give increase the top percentage to 100%. Now if you go, yeah, it's coming below that. And also I need to keep right also 0, right also 0. So now I need it in 1 by 1. Here it's in horizontal, but I need it in 1 by 1. So after giving this stuff, let's give header for anchor list also, where anchor list, let me split it so it will be easy. So navbar anchor list, where in the anchor list like margin I will give as 1.5 rem, along with margin padding I will give 1.5 rem, and after padding we can give background same as that one as FFF code so that it should be easy, and border I will give 0.1 rem solid, and RGBA same code. Let me copy and paste here, and display I will keep it as a block because I needed it in 1 by 1. See, now we got it as a block. Let me minimize this, close this. So once I go here, till now I think it's fine. After this, let's check about okay. Now let's go to another media query, because in 460 if you see it's somewhat clumsy, right? So there we can keep another media query as a 450 range. Let's copy the code up to here and write HTML same like that, but the font size should be reducing to 55% we have given, right? So here we can give somewhat decreasing the percentage. Let's think how much we can give. %50. I think it will be looks nice. So till now we have given 50%, and after that now let's go for another thing which we have to do is navbar we have given here, but I want to give clip path also, where clip path will show polygon is a function 0 0 100% 0 100% 0 0 space 0. That is how we can give polygon. Now let's do the styling for this, for the screen size. So here we can do the screen size resolution. Before that I want to change another thing for the for not only navbar, here I need for that toggle also. So toggler I will use. So for that, let's toggler checked. We are giving the checked, right? Checked is similar to the navbar we are showing, so that whenever it's checked, the navbar will getting out. And then we can go ahead with the let's check it. So once we got it, we can with the clip path for that toggler checked also, so that let's me copy this and paste it here. Let me refresh it. So I think you got an idea everything. Till now we have prepared header folder with the responsiveness showing hamburger menu and the stuff. In the next session we will learn about remaining components with the responsiveness. Thank you.